Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with a warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Make sure it's nice and loose. And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start putting our hands on our hips. We're going to rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down, and we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna just bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jariet, Kanye. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. Hi, everybody. Hope you guys are all having a great day so far. Now, looking at this wall here, we're almost finished. We almost are discovering the mystery of this wall so we can get out of this cave. So we're gonna do all the moves in order. Make sure you guys follow along, do them with me, okay? All right, everyone together. Horse stance, fighting stance, flying side kick. Good. Scissor axe kick. Good. Superman punch. Spinning hook kick. Nice. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Nothing seems strange this time. Oh, is that a banana? That banana looks a little bit rotten. Looks a little weird. Dojo, don't eat it. Dojo, don't eat it. What are you doing, Dojo? Oh my goodness, you guys. What happened to Dojo? Ah, why is he attacking us? All right, guys, well, hopefully we can snap Dojo out of this. Okay, everyone hands up fighting stance. Awesome, all right, Dojo's gonna throw some bananas at us. We gotta duck underneath so we don't get caught like him. Ready? Everyone duck. Good duck. Good duck. Good duck. Awesome, good. All right, let's practice some punches. Ready? We're gonna do a triple jab, 3 jabs. Ready? Everyone say it with me. Let's say jab, jab, jab. Good, go. Jab, jab, jab. Ready, go. Jab, jab, jab. Good, go. Jab, jab, jab. Good, good, awesome. All right, let's practice some of the kicks that we learned. Let's practice scissor axe kick. Ready, scissor axe kick. Good, scissor axe kick. Good, scissor axe kick. Good job. Oh, he's gonna try to squish us. We gotta make sure we hujin forward so he doesn't squish on us from behind. Ready? And ready, let's go up chin first. Up chin. Good, nice. Oh, he's gonna come at us. Ready, hujin. Good, ready, up chin. Good, ready, hujin. Good, up chin. Good, hujin. Nice, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's practice some kicks this time. We're gonna practice a flying side kick. Ready? And everybody stands. Flying side kick. Nice, good job. Hands up, fighting stance. Flying side kick. Good, good. One more. Ready? Flying side kick. Good, awesome, good. Uh-oh, Dojo's gonna throw some scratches at us. Let's hujin back, and as soon as we hujin, we're gonna fire a Superman punch right back at him. Okay, ready? And on hujin. Superman punch. Nice, good. Hujin. Superman punch. Good job. Hujin. Superman punch. Awesome, good job, you guys. Oh, he's gonna throw a lot of bananas at us. So what we gotta do is we gotta hold the horse stance and make sure none of them hit our head, okay? All right, everyone together, horse stance. Don't get hit by the bananas. Don't get hit, don't even come up, don't do it. Don't risk it, don't risk it. Good, and relax, awesome, good. How can we help Dojo snap out of this, you guys? What can we do? You guys have any ideas? Huh? Give him a real banana? Okay, let's hope this works. All right, guys, let's go and give this real banana to Dojo. Hopefully, he'll snap out of it. Ah, there we go. Hey, buddy, are you okay? You don't remember what happened? Well, that was pretty scary. Okay, let's avoid purple bananas from now on. If you ever see a purple banana, I wouldn't eat it. Something might be wrong with it. Okay? Good job, you guys. Awesome. Very good work today, everybody. Now, let's take a look at our progress so far. Okay, so we've got horse stance, flying side kick, scissor axe kick, Superman punch, spinning hook kick, and then there's some mystery move. I still don't know what it is. Well, maybe next week I'll do some research and we'll find out what that move is. We'll see if there's any clues based on the other moves that we've done. Okay? Hope you guys have an awesome week. Face here. Tariye? Kenya? Good job, you guys. See you guys later. Awesome job, you guys. Now, we're going to go ahead and end class today with a cool down. Okay, so go ahead and have a seat on the ground. Let's go ahead and start with a 1 foot out, 1 foot in, just like this. Pulling your toes back, and then reaching up for the sky, and then going all the way down as far as you can. Now remember, you can't touch your toes, it's okay. Go as far as you can, keep your legs straight. Now repeat after me. I want to say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to take 1 foot, cross it over your ankle like this. We're gonna start rotating your ankle really slowly. Okay, rotating really slowly. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Now we're gonna go the other way now. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Awesome job. All right, now this time I want you guys to go ahead and bend your knee just like this. Okay, you're gonna bend it up, stretching out your leg like this. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good. Now we're gonna stretch this leg one more time. We're gonna keep this foot right here, and we're going to reach down while this foot's on top. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. Awesome. All right, now we're gonna switch legs. We're gonna go on the other side this time. Feet out just like this, reaching down for your toes. Ready? I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, toss it. Good job. All right, now put this leg over the top. We're gonna start rotating our ankle just like this. I'm gonna say hana, do it, set, net, Toss it. Good. Now go the other way. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now we're gonna bend our knee just like this, stretching out our leg. Ready? Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Very good job. Now having this leg straight, going down as far as you can. Ready? Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome job, you guys. All right, now next one we're gonna do, we're gonna have our feet up right in the center just like this. Good, go and flap your wings a little, flap it out a little bit. Good, nice. Now we're gonna go down and we're gonna count 10 in Korean this time. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome work. Okay, now next one, we're gonna have your feet apart as wide as you can. Good, we're gonna reach down to one side, looking down at your knee, okay? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now go to the other side, keep counting. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, nice. Now we're gonna go down to the middle, ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, nice, awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and stretch out our back a little bit. This time, we're gonna go ahead and go in this position here. We're gonna have our feet on the ground, hips together. Good. Looking up to the ceiling. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back down on your knees just like this. Good. Now I'm gonna take your hands like this. We're gonna turn our hands upside down, put them on the ground like this. Now very slowly lean back to stretch out your wrist. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Now we're gonna rotate our hands. We're gonna put our fingers down like this and lean back. We're gonna keep counting. Everyone say 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, nice. Awesome job, you guys. Everyone give me a high five. Awesome. Very good work today. We're going to go and stand up. 차렷. Good. 그녀. Awesome. Awesome job today, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye. Hi, everybody. My name is Master Taylor Kelly. I'm the creator of Dojo Go. And today, I'd like to introduce to you Dojo Go Comics, a complete series of martial arts inspired comic books, and a future animated series for children. Our stories will focus on life lessons derived from martial arts that will teach the kids the values of hard work, discipline, overcoming obstacles, and being a force of good in this world through acts of virtue. The first issue of the Dojo Go comic universe, laying the groundwork for all future projects, will be called Dojo Go, The Book of Perseverance, Chapter 1. This story is about the origins of Dojo, where he comes from, and why the legendary Monkey King has chosen him to be next in line to get the Cosmic Belt. A mysterious belt that changes color based on the strength of the user's integrity, courtesy, self-control, and indomitable spirit. Now, Dojo is by no means the chosen one. In fact, someone else may argue it's not his birthright to get the belt. However, Dojo, someone who lacks talent, must learn and struggle in order to become the hero the world needs him to be. Dojo will learn from a variety of teachers and masters not only the skills to defend himself and others, but will also learn to grow in virtue and unlock the true potential of the Cosmic Belt by unlocking all 5 tenets of Taekwondo. To ensure your kids will be following an entertaining but also morally acceptable story, we follow a 3 simple code of ethics that ensure your kids will be reading acceptable material. Number 1, no political agendas. So many shows and so many books these days have been pushing out political agendas and wokeness over giving kids a good, entertaining story that not only will teach them the morality of good values, but also inspire them to become the best version of themselves. None of our stories will have any political agendas in it. There's not going to be any wokeness, so don't worry, that's not going to be in our stories. Number 2, the ends won't justify the means. Unlike what society may be showing to kids, none of our stories will adhere to the concept of consequentialism. This is the belief that the morality of an action is based solely on its consequences. This is no different than someone robbing a rich person and giving it to a poor person. The action is still wrong. So none of our stories will adhere to this concept. And number 3, morality will be presented with Judeo-Christian principles. All of our stories will take place in a world where God exists. Not pagan or mythological gods, but the God of Abraham. Many stories today either try to exclude God completely or try to replace him with mythological gods or Eastern religions, or even worse, the demonic. But not our stories. Characters will acknowledge the existence of him, and the comic universe will be presented in a way where Christian Judeo principles are the foundation for society. Along the way, there will be some characters that have a hard time coming to terms with the supernatural. Our stories will present a realistic view of what it's like to be a person of faith in a secular world. The first series of comics will be a 10-part series covering the tenet of perseverance. Perseverance is one of the 5 tenets of Taekwondo, and one could argue that it stems from the cardinal virtue of fortitude. Fortitude is the moral virtue that ensures firmness in difficulty and constancy in the pursuit of something good. It strengthens the resolve to resist temptations and overcome obstacles in the moral life. The virtue of fortitude enables one to conquer fear, even the fear of death, to face trials and persecutions. This is a great lesson for kids to learn in a world today where fear is rampant in society. It is our hope that this series covering the tenet of perseverance will inspire kids to stand up for what's right and to not give up when things are difficult. As a supporter of our Kickstarter, you will not only get a signed exclusive cover of our comic book, but you'll also get a personal message from me as well as the author. Help us reach our goal to support a family-friendly, Christian morality-based, martial arts-inspired comic books for children.